AICA for 4 years.
And I've been with AII for well over 2 years now.
I've been working here for 3 years.
To AICA family,
I would say it is a great privilege to having known everyone or working together. So let us all love and respect each other's differences and respect each other's opinions.
I'm really grateful to be one of the AICA family.
Aii Chak Angre campus is just like my second home. With this anniversary, I wish all the best to happen with the Aii Chak Angre campus family.
thank you to all the love, support, help and guidance that you gave me.
Happy anniversary to Aii Chak Angre campus.
Happy anniversary, CA campus.
Happy anniversary to Aii Chak Angre campus.
Happy anniversary, everyone.
Happy anniversary!
But our love has overcome, and you, my dear, you are my prize. When I look into